All right, welcome back. Day 13. Today we are tackling something that I know drives new traders absolutely crazy, the fake breakout. Oh man, you know the feeling, right? You see that price just explode, you jump in thinking this is it, and then poof, it just reverses, grabs your money, and leaves you sitting there wondering what on earth just happened. Well, in this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how to spot those traps and, more importantly, how to avoid them for good. And this right here, this is just the absolute truth. I mean, it couldn't be said any better. These fake-outs, they're not just random market noise. No, they are traps. They're designed specifically to prey on your emotions, your impatience, your fear of missing out. Look, getting a handle on the difference between a real move and a fake one, that's probably the single biggest step you can take to protect your trading account. Seriously.
Oh man, I remember this like it was yesterday. I'd be glued to my screen watching a key resistance level, and the very second, the price poked its head above it, my heart would just start pounding. I was always so convinced, this is the big one, I can't miss it, and I'd just slam that buy button without even thinking.
And what happened next? Well, you can probably guess. Almost every single time the story was exactly the same. You get this sharp spike, just enough to suck you into the trade, and then bam, a brutal reversal that just blows right through your stop loss. And you know, it's not even just about the money. It's that punch to the gut, that hit to your confidence. It makes you start second-guessing every single decision you make.
So what changed for me? What was the big turning point? It was this one idea right here. Don't chase candles, wait for confirmation. This little phrase is a total game changer. It's the shift from being an emotional, reactive trader to a disciplined, patient one. And to do that, you can't just rely on feeling. You need a system. You need a checklist.
And that's exactly what we've got for you. The 5-rule confirmation checklist. It's a simple 5-step filter. Before you even think about risking your hard-earned money on a breakout, that trade has to pass every single one of these tests. Think of it like a bouncer at a club, but for your trades. Only the high-quality ones get in. Okay, let's break these down. Rule number 1, wait for the candle to close. I can't stress this enough. A long, spiky wick poking through a level, that's not a breakout. That's usually rejection. You want to see the full body of the candle close firmly on the other side. That's signal number 1. Second, you got to check the volume. A real breakout has power behind it, and that power shows up as a spike in volume. Think of it like a rocket. It needs fuel to take off. A price move on weak volume is a huge red flag. Third, and this is so important, trade with the trend. It's like swimming in a river. It's way easier to go with the current than to fight it. Breakouts against the main trend are just way more likely to fail. Fourth, and this is the one that requires the most patience, wait for a retest. This is your golden confirmation. After price breaks out, you want it to come back down, kiss that old resistance level, and prove that it's now support. That's the market telling you, okay, this level is real. And finally, number 5. This one is absolutely non-negotiable. Always use a stop loss. This isn't even a strategy. It's just smart risk management. It's your safety net that keeps one bad trade from blowing up your account.
So now that we have the rules, let's actually look at the anatomy of these things. Seeing a real breakout versus a fake one side by side, well, it makes everything click.
And here it is, plain and simple. On the left, you've got the real deal. See that pattern? A clean close, a little pullback to retest the level, and then the real move happens. It's organized, it's predictable. Now look at the right. That's the fake out. It's just chaos. A big angry spike up, and then an immediate violent reversal. See the difference? One is a calm, confirmed process. The other is pure noise designed to take your money.
So if you remember just one thing from today, please let it be this. Patience saves money. Every single rule on that checklist we just went through, it's all designed to do one thing, to make you slow down and be patient. In the world of trading, patience isn't just some nice little virtue. No, it's a hardcore, profitable strategy. It's what protects your account from those emotional, costly mistakes.
So I want you to ask yourself this question, and be honest. How many times have you been trapped by one of these? How many times has this exact scenario happened to you? The first step is just admitting that, yeah, this is a real, repeatable pattern. And the next step, it's using that checklist we just went over to make sure it doesn't happen again.
Look, at the end of the day, your best defense against fake breakouts is patience and having a solid process. Start putting this checklist to work and you'll see a huge improvement in your discipline. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and make sure you follow for day 14. We're going to keep